Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. And finally, almost 8 महीने के बाद I am shooting another video. It's been late because it's been raining a lot in Uttarakhand and Himachal, so I couldn't shoot anything or travel anywhere. But finally, थोड़ा सा मौसम ठीक हुआ है and finally मेरा final package जो था which I wanted वो फाइनली पैकेज आ गया है. सो आई विल बी अनबॉक्सिंग ऑल दीज पैकेजेस. देयर आर मैनी मोर. दिस इज दिस अनदर पैकेज. एक और चीज़, एक और चीज़, एक और चीज़. दिस ऑल्सो, दिस, दिस. So I'll be unboxing all these things. So be there till the last of the video.
A few moments later.
Start with the smallest of these packages first, right? Okay, so this is the shutter releaser which I have brought from, all these things are brought from Amazon. It's a small shutter releaser for my DSLR which I would be using for taking night shots and sky. Hopefully it's clear there. It's a small shutter releaser there and you just need to push this to just start and stop. We cross check if it's working properly. We keep it here. Okay, this is okay, this is the small ring which I brought from Amazon as well, so that I could shoot in night properly. And no problem now. Mobile holder for my car, so I got this one. It was one which has a suction cup at the bottom because रास्ते के लिए तो चाहिए. Okay. Then we have this. It has a charging point with it and quite bright, probably good for my trip. Portable type stoves. Oh, nice packing. So I've got two like these. Good enough for small camping. This is also the same. Two portable oxygen in case there is anything which goes wrong, but I hope that nothing goes wrong in this trip. This is also one interesting thing I saw. Your car. So we cross check it as well and we'll see to it how it works. Basically this is used in a 12 volt charger and it converts and you can use it for charging small things, maybe the slide, maybe your drone batteries or your cameras, etc. So this is also one handy product which I got. Then we have this must be these are the 4-pack of butane for the stoves. Okay, it's a 3 suction cup mount. Insta 360 while driving in those beautiful places. First of all, I have this. I've been waiting to get a tripod for years now, and finally one simple phone plus DSLR. Okay. it has a phone mount as well. This the product. We cross check once before leaving. It has a mount for camera as well. Yeah, it's a single mount for another camera. We have a 20,000 mAh power bank, which has two normal output and it has one. Oh, this is heavy. This is an inflating camping mattress. It is provided with a pump as well. So this was the last unboxing. These are all the things which I've ordered from Amazon. Every single thing is being ordered from Amazon. And we have these two pillows that are inflating pillows. So that's it from the unboxing point of view now. And just cross check these and this thing in the car. So almost कुछ सामान मैंने चार्ट्स पे रख दिया है. So अभी हम क्रॉस चेक कर लेते हैं and we'll try this smart inverter in the car and we'll just check this as well, which would be our mattress in the car. So let's go in the car. तो ये तो फिर से बारिश स्टार्ट हो गई. तो इन सब चीज़ों के लिए पहले मेरे को अपनी कार ऑन करनी पड़ेगी. सो हेयर वी हैव दिस पावर इन्वर्टर एंड आई हैव माई S21 phone to cross check if it's charging from this inverter or not. So we'll just power on this engine and then check through the 12 volt. Yeah, okay. It is charging now, so I guess this thing is good to use. I'll just switch it off and then we'll try to see this and अगर ट्रिप में ये सही में यूज़फुल है कि नहीं है and how much time does it take to inflate. So yeah, we'll inflate this. Okay. This is good. This is done. Okay. This is for this part, and then we have another part of this. This is the other part. This goes somewhere like this and this goes somewhere like this. I don't know how comfortable it will be, but like this, if you can adjust. We got two pillows as well with this and these tiny things. बहुत ज़्यादा ह्यूमिडिटी है भाई देहरादून में भी. सो अंदर का सेटअप तो हो गया है. अभी थोड़ी शॉपिंग करनी है, देन चलते हैं फिर डेक्थलॉन. Here it is, my favorite place for all camping and other sports related stuff. So let's go and quickly grab our things. got one table, got one foldable chair, and few jackets. And socks and a pair of gloves. That's it. We have done all the shopping required. बस अब थोड़ा सा राशन पानी रखने की ज़रूरत है. Quickly buy some Maggi and stuff. So yeah, we're good to go. तो सामान तो पूरा आ गया है. पैक्ड सामान अच्छे से सारा जो भी रिक्वायर्ड था खाने के लिए, पानी की एक्स्ट्रा बॉटल्स एंड चिप्स एंड ऑल. सो आज ही सब सॉर्ट करते हैं. थोड़ा सा रेस्ट लेने के बाद आई विल सॉर्ट दीज थिंग्स आउट एंड फिर गाड़ी एक बार वॉश करा के वी विल बी प्रॉब्ली लीविंग ऑन 9th अराउंड 5 or 6.